y'all. Welcome to this French subject pronoun party. We're about to turn up in here. Let's review these pronouns by points of view. That's first, second, and third person. Come on, we starting now. Check it. Yo.
Subject pronoun party, come on. Yeah. Subject pronoun party, come on.
Don't hesitate, don't dare be late.
There's a party going on, you hear?
Yeah, here.
Subject pronouns rocking across the year. Bring your first person, second too. Even letting third person through.
Yeah.
Subject pronoun, come on. Yeah.
Je, like je m'appelle. First person, I like show and tell. New, that's we, the whole crew. All of us together saying, yeah, that's true. Then two means you. Talk to a friend, cool, keep the groove. And boo, you already know, formal you or plural.
To that group show. Subject pronoun party, come on. Yeah. Subject pronoun party, come on. Yeah. Il, he's so fly. Turning heads, walking right by. LL, she stay looking clean. Rocking that style like a French beauty queen. Yeah, it's third person too. Even means we, but the crowd point of view. Talking about folks in general, universal like we do. Let's look at they. Stay on the scene. Sounds like he and she, but the grammar stays clean. Il, all dudes or a mixed crowd. Walking to the beat, stepping real proud. LL, all ladies hold it down. Rocking this party with that French girl sound. Woo! Subject pronoun party, come on. Subject pronoun party, come on. Yeah.
Great job, everybody. Both travail. Now you got these French subject pronouns on lock. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Français, we out. Skirt. Subject pronouns, we out. Yeah.
Subject pronoun party, come on. Yeah. Subject pronoun party, come on.
Don't hesitate, don't dare be late.
There's a party going on, you hear?
Yeah, here.
Subject pronouns rocking across the year. Bring your first person, second too. Even letting third person through.
Yeah.